He doesn't know I'm coming because he would have hid all his Christmas cookies. Ho, ho, ho! Sorry. Didn't mean to upset any of your customers.
What's going on here?
Yeah.
Brian!
You are live.
What's up, Brian?
Didn't think you'd see me, did you? Look at that smile on his face.
Didn't think he's a big bee in here.
And he can't be dirty because he knows he's being recorded.
Yeah, I can't say anything.
Yeah, this limits him to about 98% of the stuff he wants to say right now.
Not even close.
Oh, desserts. Oh. Hey, got any Christmas cookie I can try? Notice I didn't say cookies.
Yeah, I got a Christmas cookie you can try.
All right, where?
What?
Oh.
It's some Snowball.
Ow. What are you doing? You're making snowballs?
Made Snowball, yeah. You gotta put a little bit of powdered sugar.
I'm gonna come behind the counter, can I?
Sure.
Oh, look at, speaking of coffee, coffee to go. Now, this is considered Brunswick, right?
Brunswick Hills.
Brunswick
Yeah,
Hills.
Yeah, Brunswick Hills Township there.
I just had to drop some stuff off at my niece's house, and I realized I am really like 4 minutes away from me where she lives, so I have to stop by and say hi.
There you go.
There's not any health code violations that you don't want to be seen.
No, I did just here yesterday. I had a clean inspection.
Good.
So you got these are the snowballs.
Nice.
Almond snowballs. Going into the.
I like the way you handle those too.
Thank you. You go into the powdered sugar, we like to call it.
Now, my grandma Fowler, God bless her, she made the best snowballs, and I think she used 20 pounds of butter to make 5 of them.
To make 5 cookies?
Yeah.
I think that's about right. Yeah. Yeah. 4 pounds per cookie, yeah.
Oh, wait, so these are already cooked?
Yeah, these are done. These are ready to go.
Oh, so I can have one.
You can eat one right now.
You didn't
sir.
offer, but
I don't need to.
You would assume, unless someone actually bought all 5 of those.
Your family, you can have one.
Oh.
Be sure to get the powder all over your face.
Oh, that's good. That's really good. That's the best snowball cookie I've ever had.
Except for grandma's.
Yeah,
Nothing's ever as good as grandma's.
just delicious. It really is.
Well, thank you.
I did, I wasn't really like most food. I don't taste. I just eat. And then I was trying to be funny,
Right, no, it's
but now I'm truly tasting it. It's delicious.
a good cookie.
Hey, I got the camera on you, but it's on selfie mode.
Oh,
so
yes, I'm smiling for no reason.
that, or you look just like me, and we wore the same hat.
It's still on selfie mode?
No, I switched it back to you. No, you don't have the same app.
So now you look like me.
So someone's making a snowball cookie, because a lot of people attempt, which would put you out of business. Do you reveal like what you do? Like 20 pounds of butter is not.
No, it's not. No, ours is just, it's butter. We use cake flour in ours, ground almonds, a little bit of vanilla, and sugar. We take the butter and sugar and we mix that until it gets real fluffy and light. We add a little bit of vanilla, we add a couple of eggs to it, and then we take our cake flour, we sift that, and then once it's sifted, we add the ground almonds to that, and then we put that into the mixer with the butter and egg mixture, and we mix it just enough to incorporate it. You don't want to overmix it because you end up with a tough cookie.
Yeah.
And we scoop them with a little scoop and into little shapes of balls, and then we roll them in the powdered sugar. They look like little snowballs.
Delicious.
You can throw it down your mouth.
If people want to buy bakery, is there like a deadline for special larger orders that
Yeah.
you'd like to have it by?
Yeah, we try to have all of our orders in by Saturday, the 21st, for Christmas orders. Christmas cookie trays, we don't do a lot of orders on those just because I'm a one-man operation cutting those cookies up.
I'm out of work. You need help?
Yeah, come out and roll and cook cookies. We try to keep cookies in the case if we can. In fact, I'm going to be rolling out some cookies here in a little bit. So.
And what is the most favorite cookie Santa appreciates being left for him?
I think Santa appreciates any cookie being left out for him.
Good answer. Safe
and a
politician's
good
answer.
But I think that personally, I like the iced butter cookies and I like the buttered snowballs.
It doesn't matter what you like. I was asking about Santa.
Well, I know, but me and Santa are kind of on the same page.
What?
So when it
Seriously?
comes to cookies, oh
Yep.
yeah, I got a line in the North Pole.
Oh,
So then the raspberry thumbprints are really good too. So.
awesome.
But truly, I think Santa appreciates best person to ask that might know is mom or dad might know Santa's favorite cookie, and
Yeah.
they can tell you for sure.
There you go. From a baker. Great Scott, the baker. At Great Scott's in Brunswick Hills,
Ohio.
Ohio. All right, well, go ahead and wish all your customers and future customers that have seen this video happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa,
Merry
Menorah,
Christmas to all of
Hanukkah.
you,
There
and I hope
go.
you have a blessed New Year.
Merry Christmas to all of you.
And
Great.
a blessed New Year.
Good to see you, Scott.
You too, brother. Thanks, Brian.